Hello class, I'm Jem from Jem and the Holograms. Today we will learn about the Chinese Revolution.
Hello Jem. I liked your show back in the 80s. Your music is good. I am glad to be your student.
Sniffles, why do you have an ugly ass trunk for mouth? You are different. I hate you. That's it. Go back to 7th grade.
What?
Hello class. I'm Optimus Prime. And I am going to prove that there is more to you than meets the eye. After all, my show and Jem and the Holograms were competition during the 80s. Sniffles, why do you have a Bible in class? May I remind you that this is a liberal theist classroom? That settles it. Go back to 6th grade.
Hello class. I am Corey from The Legend of Korra, and today we are going to learn about the Meiji Restoration Act. Sniffles, why do you have a gun in class? Guns do not exist in my TV show. That tears it. Go back to 5th grade.
Hello class, I am Leonardo the Ninja Turtle. Today we will discuss how to commit seppuku like Master Splinter did yesterday.
But Leo, seppuku is suicide, and suicide is just as much murder as homicide. I won't do it.
Sniffles, how dare you not agree to commit seppuku with me? That damns it. Go back to 4th grade.
Hello class, I am Mulan. Today we will be discussing how the Mongols took over China.
Oh shit. Not another lecture on some Asian country.
How dare you talk back to me, you little punk ass. Go back to 3rd grade now.
Hello class. You can call me Mr. Griffin. Today is an over 9,000-page research paper on how smart I am.
I disagree. I have seen Family Guy and you are a total dumbass.
What do you mean you don't agree with me? Do you know who you're dealing with? Go back to 2nd grade or I will blow up the earth with comedy magic.
Well shit.
Hello class, I am Bumblebee from Transformers. Today we will be discussing how I killed Megatron in Transformers Prime.
Don't teach me that bullshit. I have already seen the ending of Transformers Prime. I don't need it explained to me.
Sniffles, how dare you disrespect me? That settles it. Go back to 1st grade now.
Nah.
Hello class. Today we will be discussing how Adolf Hitler killed 6 million Jews.
What? Fuck you, you fucking fat ass. My grandfather was killed during the Holocaust.
Sniffles, how dare you mock my teaching? That settles it. You are expelled and you are grounded for over 9,000 years.